In this session, we are going to learn about grammar. In that, we are going to learn about it happened yesterday. Means which things, which situations, which incidents happened in a past tense. How can we write? How can we tell? How can we speak? We are going to learn now. See here, doing words. When we think about how can we speak, how can we write in past tense, we have to change the doing words form. Okay, see here, doing words in regular form and special form in past tense. Means past tense means what? Which things, which incidents, which happened in before, yesterday, last week, last month, last year, last age. Okay, see here. Here are some example of doing words in regular form and how they change in special form in past tense. See, do becomes did, sing becomes sang, play become played, run become ran, sleep become slept, move become moved, laugh become laughed, cry become cried. Okay, now open your textbook on page number 60 for more examples. Lesson 23. It happened yesterday. When we talk about something that happened yesterday, last week, last month, a year ago, last Monday, or a few hours ago, we use doing words in special forms. See, here is one table. Always, every day, usually, often, we use I sing, we play, he sees a picture, the car moves, the old lady sleeps, the cuckoo sings sweetly. And what happened yesterday, last evening, last week, last year, last Sunday, few hours ago? I sang, sing changed into sang. We played, he saw a picture, the car moved, the old lady slept, the cuckoo sang sweetly. Like that, it became age. Eats become age, wins become own, play become played, cooks become cooked, leaves become left, go become went. Okay, now read the next. Read these sentences. I always play tennis in the evening, but last evening I played badminton. Tony runs after me every day when I come back from school, but yesterday he ran after a cat. Now see the next page. Here are some questions for solving us. Okay, question A. Take the correct words in the bracket. Father often, so we use leaves for the gym at 6 o'clock in the evening. Second, I dash for horse riding every Sunday. Go. Okay. Mr. Chopra read a story in class last Monday. Last Monday, so choose read. Okay, read. It's pronounced as read. Fourth, he always, so choose eats home cooked food now. Fifth, I dash by eggs last evening, so choose forgot. Now next, I dash went for dinner last week, so choose went. Now 7, he usually, so locks the door well before leaving. Now 8, she took out a new dress and wore it to the party. Now see, Mohit won the first prize a month ago. Mother took an apple, cut it with a sharp knife. Last evening I went to the club. I often write letters to my friends. Okay, turn the page. Question B. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of doing words given in the brackets. First, Meena liked the teddy bear. She plays with it. Vinay rowed the boat across the river yesterday. So use past form. Tinkerbell often visits. So right, visits the flowers. Now, next, the carpenter makes table with wood. My friend often, so write, brings some storybooks for me. Sixth, the little boy was very thirsty. He drank all the water in the jug. The dog saw a stranger. It barks at the man. Next, Vinith was happy when the kite flew up in the sky. Okay. Now next question C. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of doing words given in the brackets and complete the story. A monkey was very hungry. It got a chapati. See the next page. Another monkey came to take chapati away from him. Both the monkeys started fighting for the chapati. A cat saw the monkeys fighting. It came close without making any noise. The cat jumped on the chapati and ran away with it. The monkeys stopped fighting. They sat down and were sad. They did not fight after that day. Understood, students? You have to solve these pages in textbook as well as write in notebook and send me the photocopy. Thank you.